Welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix camera not working here in Google Chrome. On the upper right corner, click the three dots. Click Settings. Go to Privacy and Security. Click Site Settings. Go to Camera. As you can see, sites are not allowed to use the camera. Click sites can ask to use your camera. So just a thing to remember, you don't automatically grant websites to use your camera, but instead it can ask for your permission to use the camera. So these are useful for features like video chatting or meetings online, and here you can choose from your camera. As you can see, I don't have any plugged in camera, but if you do, you can just choose your camera here and which one is your preferred camera. Thank you and see you in the next video.